In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the world jumper inside of anime adventures in Roblox. Now, before I get into the video, I want to say please make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure that you get every step correct and you don't mess anything up. Now, with that all being said, let's get right into this video. So, the first thing is, what even is the world jumper? Well, the world jumper will help you jump to the end of a world so you don't have to do all the levels. Now this can be like really useful if you've basically got kind of OP stuff and you can't bother to go and do the levels. Now you can actually get loads of world jumpers with a specific code on here. I think you get like 12 of them, and you know it's kind of OP. But anyway, so the way we can use them is we can go over to items here, and you can see right now I actually have all of them here. They look like this, and basically the way that it works is that if we go into play here, I'll show you what it looks like right now. If I go into play and I go into this booth here, I can select anything from Snowy Town, for example. Actually, no, that's wrong. Sorry. I can select anything from here because I've cleared them all. But if I go to Snowy Town, I haven't cleared any of them, and I can't just skip to the last one. But what a world jumper can do, it means I can just skip all of these and go straight to the last one. Now, this can be good if you have OP stuff, as I said. So for me, if I was going to go to my units, I might want to go on this one. I might want to like feed this or something. See, if I was to feed it, you know, it'd rank it up a bit. And I really like this one, so I'm just going to do that. And it's just gained 500 XP, nice. So I'm going to actually use the world jumper now and show you how it works. So I'm going to go to items, and I think I'm on this one. Is it this one? Nope, not that one. Snowy World, that's the one. So, do I want to use the world jumper? So, are you sure you want to use world jumper to skip to the last stage of Snowy Town? Unlimited attempts. So, I'm going to click confirm. And what it's going to do is going to teleport me right away into the last level. Now, do be sure that you are ready to actually fight this, because if not, then you are going to waste your time, because it teleports you right away and there's nothing you can do. So, it takes a while, like it just chills here for a second, like you think nothing's happening, and you'll just get spawned into the world randomly, and it should join the loading screen. It is taking a second to load here, but any second now we should go into the loading screen and we should be put into it. And I'm still waiting, which is kind of annoying. Okay, finally, boom, I've now been put into Snowy Town Act 6, the last act, the Demon King. Now, this did catch me off guard before, because it was actually really, it's not this specific world but a different one, but the end act was like really strong, like stronger than I expected. So make sure you are ready for this. I'm not even sure if I'm ready for the Snowy Town one, to be honest with you. I did struggle with the last act 6, but I'm going to try it anyway just to see how it works. So okay, here we go. Where is the start even at? Okay, so I'm going to have to run to the start. Okay, I can hit yes. Now, I'm just going to start with this one here, because I actually like this one quite a bit. And I'm just going to hope that it's strong enough. So how strong are these guys? They've got 42 each. So this guy may struggle with it a little bit. But once I can upgrade and put my legendary in there, it should be strong enough. Yeah, he'll get them in the next hit. Easy. And one more. Okay, nice. Okay, we're leveled up to the next one. I should be able to... So this guy is 21, 42, 42. So yeah, it's because it's splash damage, it should be doable, not too hard. Basically, this is just the same as usual. It's going to be 15 waves, and it's going to have a boss at the end, but it's going to be the end of this Snowy World. Like, I haven't even played a single level of this Snowy World one yet, and I'm already playing the final level. This just helps you if you want to get onto the next levels really quick. So I'm going to put this guy here. I'm going to put him here. I'm going to upgrade him in a second, so his range will be upgraded anyway. But he's really OP. He's sick. So I'm going to upgrade him in the next round. And then I'm going to put her next to him to give him a 10% boost as well, which is pretty good. So basically now what you can do is just play the round. I'm pretty sure my stuff's proficient enough, like my stuff's strong enough to actually get through this round with relative ease. I might struggle with the boss a little bit, but I don't think it should be too difficult. This is a great way to just progress really quickly and just get past all the boring levels that are really slow. That's what I'm using it for. And it also, if there's like specific ones you want to go to, for example, like some of the maps can give you more gems and stuff, so you can farm gems easier if you go to like some of the maps. So that's just something to know. Now, actually, if you do want to learn about how to farm gems or farm anything, I've got like videos on farming gold, XP. If you want to learn that on AFK farming, then go look on the channel because the videos are actually really, really useful on that. So yeah, I'd recommend having a look and they will help you, I promise. So right now, this is kind of a bit scary. They're quite good right now. Okay, the clone demon. Yep, okay. I'm scared. I should have upgraded a little bit more, I think. Maybe I'll be okay. I just need to pay a bit more attention. I'm just paying so much attention to the video because I want you guys to know all the information. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna add. Oh no, one got through. Is he gonna get through? Nah, this guy's gonna get him. Oh no, he got through. Okay, that's fine. We'll just have to put something else there in a second. If I upgrade him, am I gonna be able to get him? No. I'll just have to put something else like here. I think this might. Oh, it's probably not even gonna be able to damage it. What? How much damage has he got left? 50 still. He might be able to do it. Maybe not. I'm gonna get a bit more money now. This is what I said about be careful because, like, you know, it's gonna be a big jump up from what you're used to. So you might not be ready for it, and I think I'm just gonna be fine with this level. But yeah, still, like, it would have been good if I was a little bit prepared, a little bit more prepared, we should say. But we get this guy, and I'll just sell this unit, and then I'll go. Actually, I'll just leave the unit there. I don't even need to sell it. But cool, this is all good. So now I'm gonna put a few more of these guys here, just to like really increase it. Make sure you have a good loadout for this as well. That will really help you. I'm gonna upgrade her, so these will get all good and good upgrades and boosts. But make sure you have good loadout so that it's like good, well balanced. You know, so they complement each other and stuff like that, so that you can actually win this with ease. So at the moment on wave 8, and this has saved me so much time. Like, if I had to do each of those different ones, they'd probably take me like 10 minutes each. They're probably saving me like a whole hour just skipping to the last one. Especially if you buy gems and stuff like that and you don't really, and you just want to upgrade quick. This is a really good way to do it. So where are we? We are, which one are we upgrading? This guy. I really like this guy because when you upgrade him, he looks really cool. Like his animations and the damage he does is just really good. And you can see right now, to be honest, I am kind of just killing them with ease. We are on wave 9, and the boss, I'm sure, is going to be a tiny bit harder. But it's still, I think we've got this with ease. And this is kind of like what's good. It's like if you get like a really good unit or something like that, then you don't want to waste your time on all the rubbish levels when you can just go quickly. And also, skipping waves, you know, that's pretty useful as well. These guys are getting really strong now, actually. So I probably should focus on upgrading some more stuff so that I don't lose too easily. It doesn't seem to be too much of a problem, though, for the most part. And I'm on wave 10. I think I'm going to get through this actually very, very easily. Now, as I'm playing this, if you guys have any like videos that you want me to make, like Roblox related videos, be sure to leave them down below because I can go ahead and make those for you at any time. Whatever you need to do, I can just find out how you do it, and I'll make a video for you on that. And we're actually pretty easily getting through these waves, to be honest with you. I'm going to upgrade this guy, and I'll upgrade. Do a few more upgrades here. You can actually do this on automatically as well. Like if you want to automatically farm these rounds, these different waves to get gems or XP or gold, then you can actually do that. I've actually got a video on that. There's an app called Tiny Task. It's really good. Just look on the channel and you'll see a video about that somewhere. So I'm on wave 12 out of 15. I'm getting there pretty quick, and honestly I'm barely even paying attention. And it shows you like how easy some of the levels are. Like I would have been really bored if I had to play all of these levels over and over again. I would just, you know, it would have been boring. I could have just sat on my phone and been on TikTok, but you know, it's a bit boring. Oh, I can't have more than 5. That's okay. I'll just upgrade this guy, and yeah. And so far, if you've enjoyed the video and you have found it useful so far, be sure just to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it did help, just to let other people know that this video is actually really useful. Because yeah, I think it really helps people out if they know a video is good before they watch it. Yes, this is pretty cool. So basically, just to highlight what this world jumper does is it basically just means that you can skip a load of levels and just go to the final one, just so you can go to the next world quicker. It just means that you don't have to play all 6 of the levels. You only have to play one of them, and it's just good if you've got really OP stuff. Because I've got OP stuff, like, and it would have wasted so much time. This is the second world I've skipped, and it would have just wasted my time if I'd had to play through all of them. So, you know, it's actually pretty useful, and I'd recommend doing it if you can. As I said, there's actually a code for this to get all these, to get them all. And if you go on my channel, I actually have a video about the different codes. So be sure to watch that, because you'll get this, and it's, you know, it's OP, as I said. If you have any other videos that you want to see, check the channel, because yeah, I also have a lot of other videos about tons of topics. Like, seriously, I'm going to just be focusing so much time on making great content about different Roblox games. At the moment, I'm focusing on anime adventures, because it's actually really fun and there's so many people playing it. I feel like there's a lot of things you need to learn, and I think you guys can really benefit from watching the videos. So anyway, we're almost at level 50, wave 15, and I'm going to show you what happens afterwards. So make sure you do stick around so you can see what happens afterwards, because it's pretty cool, and it's kind of a life hack, to be honest with you, if you're trying to beat your friends and that kind of stuff. So we're on wave 15. We're about to go to wave 15. We're about to have our boss. I'm not sure it's going to be too hard, to be honest with you. Wave 15. Who can I upgrade? I'll upgrade you. Okay, where is the boss? Here we go. Okay. That's kind of easy. Okay, he's quite fast, actually. Is that him? Wait, where is he? Oh, he's here. Oh, he's not even fast. Can he regen? No, he can't. So he's getting like, I'm doing like 2k damage per like wave of damage I do to him. So yeah, he's dying so easily. There's absolutely no reason, like, yeah, there's no reason for me to struggle with this. It's super easy, unless he evolves, because he might get past where my troops are, and that would not be ideal. But I don't know if he evolves, to be honest. If he evolves and he's like high level, I might be screwed, because he's kind of close to getting through. Oh no, he's like teleported through. He is now gaining a little bit of stuff back. Come on, guys. Oh no, they're so close. They're literally so close. Okay, did he evolve? He didn't evolve. Lucky. Okay, that is lucky. So yeah, look, I just got 80 gems plus 60 plus 50. It took me 10 minutes to complete that, which is very, pretty quick. I can press next. Cool, I got a flower. And now I can just return to the lobby, and this is the next bit. It's going to be cool. Once I do eventually return to the lobby. Thank you team. Good job, everybody. I don't know why this game takes a long while to teleport. It's a bit annoying. Okay, we're going back, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like here. Any second now. Cool, I can go over to the play section. And now, if I go in here, I'm now on the Hidden Sand one, Hidden Sand Village. So yeah, and and the thing that's kind of funny is I do actually have an upgrade for that one, I'm pretty sure. Hollow World, Ant Kingdom, Hidden Sand Village. I could actually use this and go to the end of that one, but I don't think I'm ready for that yet. So I'm going to upgrade my stuff, and I'll go to that later. But if you did enjoy this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video helped you. Thank you for watching.